Ever wondered how to optimize your content for the knowledge graph? Today, we're going to unlock the secret. Welcome to the fascinating world of knowledge graph optimization. In the ever-evolving realm of digital marketing, the knowledge graph has emerged as a critical player. This powerful tool is used by search engines to enhance their search results with semantic search information gleaned from a multitude of sources. But what does this mean for you? Well, it's simple. By understanding the knowledge graph and how to optimize for it, you can significantly boost your online visibility. This isn't just about getting your website or content to show up on the first page of search results. Knowledge graph optimization can help your content appear in prime spots on the search engine results pages, such as featured snippets and knowledge panels. So how does one go about optimizing for the knowledge graph? The process involves implementing structured data markup to provide clear signals about your content's relevance, creating entity-based content that helps search engines understand the context of your content, and building authority to establish your website as a credible source. Fortunately, you don't have to go it alone. There are several tools at your disposal to assist in your knowledge graph optimization journey, including Google's structured data testing tool, SEMrush's suite of SEO tools, and the Google Knowledge Graph API. These tools can help you check your structured data markup, analyze your website's performance, and retrieve information about entities to enhance your content's relevance to search queries. In the grand scheme of things, knowledge graph optimization is about more than just improving your SEO game. It's about delivering the most relevant and valuable information to your audience in the most effective way possible. Understanding and optimizing for the knowledge graph can be a game changer for your online presence. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into this exciting topic in our upcoming segments. Remember, the key to successful SEO isn't about keeping up with the changes, it's about staying ahead of them. First things first, let's define what a knowledge graph is. Imagine a vast network, interconnecting millions of pieces of information. This is the essence of a knowledge graph. It's a sophisticated knowledge base used by search engines to enhance their search results with semantic search information gathered from various sources. Think of it as the brain behind a search engine, enabling it to understand the context and relationships between different pieces of information. When you search for something, the knowledge graph sifts through this massive data network to deliver results that are not just keyword-based, but are also contextually relevant. It's the reason your search for Apple might bring up results about the tech giant instead of the fruit, depending on your search history and patterns. In a nutshell, knowledge graphs are a vital part of how search engines understand and present information. They dictate how the world of online search operates, making them a key player in the SEO landscape. Why does knowledge graph optimization matter, you may ask? Well, the digital world is a vast ocean of information. And in this ocean, your content is like a tiny boat trying to be noticed by the search engine's lighthouses. Knowledge graph optimization acts as your boat's powerful beacon, making it more visible and attractive to these lighthouses. When you optimize your content for the knowledge graph, you're essentially giving search engines more context about your content. You're telling them, hey, my content is relevant, it's valuable, and it's exactly what the user is looking for. This increases your chances of appearing in featured snippets, knowledge panels, and other high-visibility areas on search engine results pages. So, in essence, knowledge graph optimization is like speaking the search engine's language. It's about making your content as readable and understandable as possible for them. And when you do that, you increase your visibility, you boost your SEO, and you draw more traffic to your site. Optimizing for the knowledge graph increases your chances of appearing in prime spots on search engine results pages. Now it's time to delve into some strategies for knowledge graph optimization. By adopting these methods, you can enhance your content's discoverability and make it more appealing to search engines. First, let's talk about structured data markup. This is a form of HTML coding that helps search engines understand the content on your web page. It's like a secret language that you and the search engine speak to each other. By implementing Schema Markup, you provide clear signals about your content's meaning and relevance. This can significantly boost your visibility in search results. Second, we have entity-based content. Traditionally, SEO focused on keywords. But with the advent of knowledge graphs, search engines have become more interested in entities. These are specific things or concepts that are distinct and well-defined. For instance, the entity Apple could refer to the tech company or the fruit, depending on the context. By focusing on entities rather than just keywords, you help search engines understand the context of your content, making it more likely to be included in the knowledge graph. Lastly, we have authority building. This involves establishing your website as a credible source of information. How do you do that? One way is by obtaining backlinks from authoritative domains. These act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and reliable. Another way is by optimizing your Google Knowledge Panel. This is the box that appears on the right-hand side of Google search results when someone searches for your brand. By providing accurate and up-to-date information here, you can further enhance your credibility. By implementing these strategies, you can make your content more appealing to search engines and boost your visibility. But remember, knowledge graph optimization is not a one-time thing. It requires continuous effort and adaptation to the ever-changing search engine algorithms. So keep learning, keep optimizing, and watch your online presence grow. Thankfully, there are tools available to help you in your knowledge graph optimization journey. As we navigate the digital seas of SEO, these tools serve as our compass, guiding us towards optimization success. First on our list is Google's Structured Data Testing tool. This handy tool checks the structured data markup on your website, ensuring it aligns with Google's guidelines. Think of it like your personal SEO proofreader, catching any errors before they affect your search engine results. Next, we have SEMrush. This is not just a tool but a suite of SEO tools that can analyze your website's performance. It's like having a personal trainer for your website, identifying areas for improvement and helping you strengthen your knowledge graph optimization. SEMrush provides insights into your website's overall health, backlink profile, and keyword performance. It's a comprehensive tool that offers a bird's-eye view of your SEO efforts. Last but certainly not least, we have the Google Knowledge Graph API. This tool allows you to retrieve information about entities, enhancing your content's relevance to search queries. In simpler terms, it's like having a direct line to Google's brain, allowing you to understand how Google perceives your content's relevance to various search queries. These are just a few of the tools available for knowledge graph optimization. Each tool has its strengths and can provide valuable insights into different aspects of your SEO strategy. By understanding and leveraging these tools, you can ensure that your content is not only optimized for search engines, but also provides value to your audience. Remember, SEO is not just about getting to the top of search engine results pages. It's about providing valuable, relevant content that meets your audience's needs. These tools can provide valuable insights and assistance as you work to optimize your content for the knowledge graph. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to knowledge graph optimization for SEO. We've navigated the intricate landscape of knowledge graphs and hopefully provided you with a clearer understanding of their significance in today's digital world. We began our journey by defining what a knowledge graph is, a knowledge base used by search engines to enhance their search results with semantic search information collected from various sources. It's a complex yet intriguing technology that's shaping the way we interact with the web. We then delved into the importance of knowledge graph optimization. By aligning your content with the knowledge graph, you can significantly enhance your online visibility, making your page a prime destination on search engine results. It's a strategy that can bring your SEO game to new heights. Next, we discussed key strategies for knowledge graph optimization. From implementing structured data markup, focusing on entity-based content, to building authority, these tactics can help you make the most out of your knowledge graph optimization efforts. Remember, it's all about providing search engines with clear signals about your content's meaning and relevance. And of course, we can't forget about the tools that can assist you in this journey. Google's Structured Data Testing tool, SEMrush, and Google Knowledge Graph API are just a few of the resources you can tap into to streamline your knowledge graph optimization process. Use them wisely, and they can be powerful allies in your quest for SEO dominance. In conclusion, knowledge graph optimization is more than just a buzzword. It's a potent tool that can amplify your online presence and set you apart in the crowded digital marketplace. By implementing these strategies and utilizing the right tools, you'll be well on your way to dominating the search engine results pages. Thanks for watching.